right, here we have number 7. You're going to use the rule for this transformation. This is the rule. What is the image for A prime? Okay, so we have the original here as 2 comma 6. It's going to undergo a transformation. That x is going to be minus 8, so the 2 is going to be minus 8. Then the y, 6, is going to add the 4. That's what A prime is. So A prime, 2 minus 8 is negative 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. That's your final answer. That's what A prime would be. Okay, you're just applying this rule here. Minus 8 and plus 4. Minus 8 to the x plus 4 to the y. Okay, here you're going to go backwards because we have the preimage C prime, negative 3 comma negative 10. We want to go backwards. So we are going to apply the rule backwards now. So C is going to be negative 3, but we're going to add 8. And negative 10, rather than plus 4, we're going to minus 4. So C, it is 5 comma negative 14. Okay, that's the only way you can get to this C prime of negative 3 comma negative 10, right? By minusing 8 and plusing 4 to the y. So this would be the answer. This is what the preimage is. C is 5 comma negative 14.